It's the Indo Campaign Daily from Athboy in County Meath. As Fine Gael launches its €200 a month childcare plan, it's child's play for Simon Harris.
Tisha! Actually, can I call you Simon?
Yeah, sure.
Simon, what are you going to do to help my mum and dad?
We're going to make childcare costs much cheaper by capping the cost of sending a child to childcare at €200.
What would you know about kids? Do you have any?
I do. I have a boy and a girl.
Sinn Féin announces its workers' rights plan. But Louise O'Reilly doesn't let Fine Gael off the hook on those Michael O'Leary teachers' comments.
It's a bit of a sham row, to be honest, to see people who were so comfy and cosy together up until, well, mere days ago. And all of a sudden now they've manufactured a little bit of pretend antagonism and a little bit of pretend difference.
People Before Profit's manifesto launch carries a warning about neutrality and being dragged into geopolitical wars.
I think our government want to drag us, be part of that military, EU militarisation, NATO club. So I think that is their agenda. But there's a standoff between Fianna Fáil and Fine Gael's drive to erode our neutrality.
Justice Minister Helen McKeith says decriminalisation of any cannabis possession will have to be seriously considered by any future government.
What we have said very clearly and what is already being applied is that we would firstly have a health-led approach, particularly where you have addiction problems. And we know that there are massive addiction problems in this country, that we have a health-led approach. Again, I know that Fianna Fáil has not focused on drug addiction or that health-led approach in their manifesto.
Micheál Martin tells the Indo Daily about his own rebel days of youth.
Let me ask you the old sucker punch question then. Did you ever smoke a spliff yourself?
No, I
Never?
Never.
Not even in your college days?
Not even in my college days.
You were too square, you were too much in...
I was a bit square,
yeah.
I suppose, yeah.
And you can listen to that interview with Micheál Martin on the Indo Daily podcast out tomorrow. I'm Fionn Sheehan in Athboy.